Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. But before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so as you may receive my other videos. So we were doing about future continuous. अब हमने कल क्या किया था, अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव किया था. आज हम पढ़ेंगे इंटेरोगेटिव के बारे में, यानी कि जिसमें सवाल पूछा जा रहा है. ठीक है. द फार्मूला इज हियर बिफोर यू. will, shall, subject, be, verb first form, then ing, and at the last object, and at the last you have to insert this question mark. You will not insert here full stop because this is a question. Alright. If you are being confused between will and shall, then I am removing this shall and you can apply will with all subjects. Otherwise, you know the rule about English grammar that with shall we apply I and we. Alright. But I am here inserting will as helping verb. Alright. So the sentences are, क्या लॉकडाउन पीर को खत्म हो रहा होगा? So making this sentence in English according to the formula. Will come first. Then subject is the lockdown. Will the lockdown? Okay. Then according to formula we have to insert here be because this is a continuous tense. This is a future continuous tense. That is why I am applying here be. With other continuous sentences be will not come. But with future continuous be is necessary to insert here. Will the lockdown be ending? ठीक है. अब यहाँ end जो है खत्म होने को कहते हैं and with ing form it will become ending. Will the lockdown be ending? Then on Monday. अच्छा, with Monday is the day, is the name of day. That is why I have applied on here. Alright. And at the last you have to insert this question mark. Will the lockdown be ending on Monday? क्या लॉकडाउन पीर को खत्म हो रहा होगा? This is the first sentence. Now I come here to the second sentence. क्या मैं जून में कंप्यूटर चला रही होंगी? Must notice about sound that रहा होगा, रही होगी and रहे होंगे. But in Urdu sentences this क्या will necessarily come. ठीक है. क्या शो करता है उर्दू सेंटेंसेस को सवाल के लिए, और इंग्लिश में जो है अगर हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले लगाएं तो इट मीन्स दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. सो द सेकंड सेंटेंस इज, हाँ मैं जून में कंप्यूटर चला रही होंगी. आई के साथ विल आएगा. आई विल होता है लेकिन बिकॉज इट इज अ क्वेश्चन that is why I will apply here will first. Will I, then after I have to apply be as per formula. Will I be, ठीक है, कंप्यूटर चलाने को ऑपरेट कहते हैं. Will I be operating computer in June? Will I be operating computer in June? Then again question mark I have to insert here. अच्छा, क्या टीचर बुक की दिन कापियां चेक करी होगी? Will is helping verb. Then the teacher is subject. Will the teacher checking? ठीक है. verb हमारा क्या है? check. Then with check I will apply here ing. Will the teacher, sorry, not checking, but after subject we have to apply be. Don't forget to insert be here. Will the teacher be checking the copies on the copies on Wednesday. Alright, because again Wednesday is the name of the day, that is why ये यहाँ ये ज़रूर आएगा. So I hope so you understood about it. I will write other sentences. So the fourth sentence is, क्या वो अगले साल लाहौर की सैर कर रही होगी? Will, after will we will apply here she. Be, according to formula, visit, and with ing form it will become visiting. Will she be visiting? Lahore is object. Next year, will she be visiting Lahore next year? क्या वो लाहौर जो है अगले साल घूम रही होगी या सैर कर रही होगी लाहौर की? The fifth sentence is, क्या हम 2 साल बाद हज कर रहे होंगे? Will, we is subject, then be. हज करने को परफॉर्म भी कहते हैं और ऑफर भी कहते हैं. परफॉर्म I am writing here as a verb, and with ing form it will become performing. Hajj is object. After 2 years, 2 साल बाद. Will we be performing Hajj after 2 साल बाद? ठीक है, 2 years. तो आपको समझ में आ गया about interrogative sentences, that how I have made with future continuous. ठीक है. Now we will start negative and interrogative sentences. ठीक है. Before it I have written about interrogative formula. Now I will make interrogative and negative all together. Okay, the formula only, not will be changed here, not will be applied here. Will I? Okay, will, subject, then not, be was first form, ing and object, and at the last you have to apply question mark. क्या लॉकडाउन पीर को खत्म नहीं हो रहा होगा? Number 1 is, will the lockdown, will is here helping verb, the lockdown is subject. Not, as per formula, because this is negative and interrogative formula altogether. Will not be. Ending, कहते हैं खत्म होने को, with ing it becomes ending. Will the lockdown not be ending on Monday? Monday is object. Will the lockdown not be ending on Monday? क्या लॉकडाउन मंडे को खत्म नहीं हो रहा होगा? Then question mark. I'm very cautious about this question mark or full stop, because this is a part of punctuation and you have to be very careful about it. क्या मैं जून में कंप्यूटर नहीं चला रही होंगी? Will I not be operating computer in June. We must understand this spelling. Computer in June. Will I not be operating computer in June? क्या मैं जून में कंप्यूटर नहीं चला रही होंगी? नंबर 3 इज क्या मैं अगले साल लाहौर की सैर नहीं कर रही होंगी? Will, then subject is I, then not, be, सैर करना, विजिट करना कहते हैं इसको, visit. Then with visit, I have to apply here ing form. Will I not be visiting Lahore? अब अगले साल, next year, this is an additional information in a sentence. Will I not be visiting Lahore next year? Question mark. All right, have you understood about it? ठीक है, द 4th सेंटेंस इज सवाल है कि क्या टीचर बुध के दिन कॉपियां चेक नहीं कर रही होगी? ऑलराइट, सो हाउ आई विल कन्वर्ट इट इन उर्दू, सॉरी इन इंग्लिश? वेल, will has come here as helping verb. Then the teacher, will the teacher not, because this is negative as well as not, be, then check is a verb and with ing it becomes, will the teacher not be checking? ठीक है, the copies हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया as per formula. Will the teacher not be checking the copies on Wednesday? The 5th sentence is क्या हम 2 साल बाद हज नहीं कर रहे होंगे? Will we not be, then perform is verb, performing Hajj after 2 years. ठीक है, तो आज हमने नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव को मिलाकर सेंटेंसेस बनाने सीखे. इसके अलावा हमने इंटेरोगेटिव के सेंटेंसेस बनाने सीखे. ऑलराइट, आई होप सो you like my video, but one more request, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. और आपको जो है कोई सवाल है, if you have any query about it, must comment on comment section. I will reply you. I will remove your confusions. तो तब तक के लिए आप जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.